What's up, guys? We're listening to the new Hobson rap. It's called Hell's Carol. Now, before we start this video, hit that thumbs up, that thumbs up button for more videos. Subscribe, and maybe I'll give you a shout out if you I don't know, but let's just get started on this video.
What the fuck am I? Just think about it, can't define it. Say goodbye to any nigga you was vibing with. I fucking hate to climb it. I've been on your trail like an invasive pirate, making riots. Y'all can never swing a lion. I've been taking rappers and creating diets. Now they on the gram trying to make it private. Hoping I don't put them in the bad position. They be praying I don't ever catch you slipping. You could build the buzz, rapping sick shit, but you better not come around me acting different, bitch. I've been lost on the path of sinning. I just hope the Lord's gonna have forgiveness. Sorry. Keep in mind that my bag of business all me and you gon' have a bag of collision. Oh no, ain't giving a fuck, adrenaline rush. Low pro, when hitting them up, you niggas are lunch. Faux show, cynical nut, I'm finna give up. Host no, they feeling the love, my minutes a touch. I have them flying overseas, crying over me. I am openly a cunt to them. See you flying, roll the D. I am going unleash a giant load of
Dang.
to them. Look, I ain't a typical nigga you dealing with. This shit is finna get rowdy. I swear to God, it is a must. I've been a militant minded degenerate ever since I was a little kid playing and kicking the mud. I'm a phenomenon, no telling who I'm a bomb when I hop on a song, I'ma lose it, it's written in blood. Honestly, I done got everything I ever wanted, but is it enough? Is it enough? You mad cause your fans ain't as loyal. Dropping classics again, wrecking oil. Damn it, man, get the body back. There is too much madness and hand weighing on you. KO and niggas.
Okay, guys. So far, it's very, very good. Now, so let's just get back into it. There's no also.
Suck my dick under the mistletoe. Don't forget the balls, lick them both. This is sicko mode level. Travis
Did you really just say, suck my balls, lick them both? What the fuck, dude? I'm sorry, guys, for saying a bad word. Okay. Hobson went too far this time. What you doing, crazy person? Okay, guys. Remember to hit that like button. This song was very crazy. So, this is. So, hit that like button for more videos. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.